Hello friends, it's me, Brittany Bly, the founder of Pop Shop America. If you want to make a gorgeous painting like this, then what you're going to want to do is make textured acrylic paint with drywall mud. So let me show you how to do it. There's really no right or wrong way to do this, but I have some pink paint, I have some yellow paint, I have some crimson paint, just to make it a few different times. I have some drywall mud. So thick and gloopy, I love this stuff. I have a paper plate. There's really no sense in using a palette for this. This is kind of a one-off, a one-time. It does scrape off, so it will scrape off of a palette, okay, but just not quite as easily as your standard acrylics, standard oils. So that's why I recommend using a paper plate for this, and I have a palette knife. So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and let's do it. So I'm gonna take one little scoop of my drywall mud and 2 scoops of acrylic paint. If you want to measure this perfectly, you could do 2 teaspoons of acrylic paint, 1 teaspoon of drywall mud, and then make sure you blend them evenly, thoroughly, perfectly. You'll notice that the texture does change. You'll basically get the texture of the drywall mud, which is thicker, which is gloopier. You'll get that inside of the color of the acrylic paint. And just mix for a little bit longer than what seems like you should. Make sure you scrape the sides, scrape the bottoms as you mix. And now you will need to use this immediately. So just make sure you mix what you need. That's why I recommend starting with just a teaspoon at a time, something really small. And that's it. Let's go ahead and make a second color just to try it one more time. So you are gonna wanna use a paper towel to wipe this off completely. But what I'm gonna do is, since I just used the pink, I'll do the red next, and that way the pink isn't gonna affect this too much. So again, I've got 1 little scoop of my drywall mud, 2 scoops of my crimson paint. Now blend and mix thoroughly and completely. And that's it. Now, if you want to make a painting like this is a textured flower painting, then follow along. We'll have that tutorial linked right here. And you guys make sure you like and subscribe Pop Shop America for more content like this. And we'll see you in our next video. Happy crafting.